Hey everyone, welcome to new video of Campus Placement. In today's video, I am going to talk about the Accenture Mega Recruitment 2020. Accenture is hiring freshers for the recruitment of Data Visualization Associate in Bangalore. Candidates from 2019 and 2020 batch in B.Tech or any degree with all branches are eligible for this role. Now let us know in brief about the company. Accenture is a leading global professional services company providing a broad range of services and solutions in strategy, consulting, digital, technology, and operations. Accenture works at the interaction of business and technology to help the clients improve their performance and create sustainable value for their stakeholders. Now let us look at the recruitment details. The position is of Data Visualization Associate. Primary location is Bangalore. Salary is best in industry and the batch is 2019 or 2020 batch. The eligibility criteria is any graduate can apply and he or she may have a 0 to 1 years of experience. Now let us look at the job description. The job description that they have mentioned is: first, you will be aligned with our data analytics vertical and help us with your expertise in building world class solutions, conquering the business problems, addressing technical challenges using data management and visualization tools and techniques. You will be working as a part of data visualization team which is primarily accountable for using visualization tools by creating dashboards and building visualizations layer. So basically you will be working with data visualization team and you will be using some visualization tools. You will be responsible for working on the tools that are visual basics for applications, programming language to build user defined functions, automating processes, and accessing Windows API and other low level functionality through dynamic link libraries. So, this is what you will have to do if you get the job. Now let us look at the roles and responsibilities. In this role, you are required to solve the routine problems largely through the precedent and referral to general guidelines. Interaction is within own team and direct supervisor. Detailed instructions on all the tasks will be provided at this role with close supervision, so you don't need to worry. They will provide you the guide. They will guide you. Decisions made impact own work and are closely supervised. Individual contributor as a part of a team with a predetermined narrow scope of work. Please note that this role may require you to work in rotational shifts. So you may have morning shift, afternoon shift or night shift in rotation. This is their website. You can see here data visualization VBA programming language. Go here and apply now and register for job alerts so that you can get the job alerts for Accenture. Now here you can see a job description that I have already mentioned about Accenture job summary, roles and responsibilities. We have already covered these things. Qualification, as I said, any graduation, and go here for apply now. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you have got the idea about the job description, and also I will give the link of their website so that you can directly go to their website and search various job opportunities. And please do subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.